Another day of organizing cables in the server room. Each network cable has a different use, so the cabinets they enter are also different. 2 EDF Ethernet distribution frame, network patch panels have already been installed above, 1 EDF network patch panel with 24 ports, and 48 network cables have been terminated. Now it's time to sort the cables. This cable gets separated. Each cable has a designated layer to be pressed and a specific port to enter, all planned in advance. So the task is not as simple as just mounting an ED rack. Planning is also crucial. You need to know what cables are coming in, what these cables are for, as each cable has a unique purpose. For these kinds of cables, when so many are coming in, you need to know how they connect, where they connect, which port they connect to. Some of them go upwards. The craftsmanship of the work is important, but knowing the business is even more vital, knowing where each cable should go. This is the overhead cable tray. Many people want to see what it looks like when I install the overhead cable tray. These are the network cables that go downwards after coming from 2 different directions. They meet head on and enter the cabinet below. These cables all come in from an entry point. Then they're organized in order and directed to their designated locations. After the work is done, all the cables will be tidied up, neatly arranged,